that was King of the Fairies. I'm using the scale of A minor in the open position to play that tune. This is the scale of A minor, starts on the 5th string open, the A string. And we use a few notes from the next octave. And we also use a few notes from the lower octave. Now I'm playing it in 4/4 time and with a steady beat, but it uses a lot of eighth notes. So it sounds like this. This is how you would count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. So they're eighth notes. The more traditional way of playing this tune would be much slower tempo with a swinging rhythm. Something like that. Let's have a closer look at the tune now. It starts on the open E string and then 2 picks on the open A string. And on that second pick on the A string, it starts off the eighth notes, run, 2 and 3 and 4 and... So I will play the tune slowly and you can follow it hopefully on the tabs. 1, 2, 3. Now when you're picking, try to use down-up picks, because as you increase the tempo that will be a help. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three.